my God! That's a shot, and that is way gone! I'm with the captain of the Spanos Saiyans, also a member of the West Coast Wolves. So coming off a win, how do you feel about this game? 2-2.
I'm feeling good. We're coming off a win. These guys haven't played in a while, so obviously they're rusty, and we're feeling confident today.
All right, yeah, and as you said, you guys haven't played in a couple weeks. How are you gonna approach it? Haven't played in a while.
We're just gonna have fun. Come out, be ready to play, and we're gonna do our thing.
All right, well said. Let's get to the game. All right, we got the Wolves home team. Nick on the mound. Jaycob bleeding off.
That's good.
Let's see how this game goes. Getting some warm-ups in.
Woo! Ball.
Yep. No, yeah. 2 balls, 2 strikes.
Take that, John, baby. Take that, John.
3. Get him out of here. Counts 2-2. Same thing as Jaycob. Is he gonna strike him out? He will.
Oh yeah, that's 2.
Bro, that's down the
3-0.
You better walk it.
Let's go!
It's a walk. Chill out.
Full count.
Let me hop in here and walk in.
He doesn't want to swing.
Ooh. Oh, he fumbles it. And he goes 3rd. 3 balls, 1 strike.
Actually, no, don't take it. Swing at it if it's close.
3-1. Oh, that's foul. Oh,
Get there.
it's caught.
That ball was
Yeah, that's 3 outs.
That ball was tanked though.
Get there. All right, pretty crazy first inning from both the Wolves and the Saiyans. Kevin made a crazy last out. Foul ball, probably half the field away. I got to lock in. It's 3-1. Yeah, he's safe. He's safe. It's 2-1. 2 balls, 1 strike. For Canen and Cisneros. Oh! He hits that.
Get 3.
Good kick, guy.
It's a single. 1st and 2nd. Full count. He swings.
Go 1. Oh yeah, go.
Bases are loaded. 2-2 for Nick Yates. That's a wait. That hit. Yeah, that hit. It hit the bottom. All right, it's full count. Is he gonna lose him? He does.
That's 1.
That's a run in.
Gracias. Come in, Bubba.
2-0. He swings.
Throw it. Oh, shit.
No, I'm good.
He gonna walk in a 2nd run after being up in the count twice? Let's see. He's safe. Yeah, he's safe.
This guy doesn't have a fastball, I don't think.
All right, 3-1.
No! Throw him.
Ah!
He's out.
He's out.
It's only 2-0, bro.
Yeah, it's only 2. Josiah up to bat. Nick on the mound. 2 runs scored by the Wolves. 1 off walk.
I'm
1 off a
utilizing my
single.
warm-ups right now.
Oh, that's 1-1. Oh yeah! He's out. Yeah, he's out. 2-2. Is it gonna be strike 3? It is.
Oh my God, bro.
Very
Can't
corner.
let that go down, bro.
Oh,
there.
he hits it.
Get there.
What is he?
That's safe. He's safe. He goes 2nd. Wait, isn't that a free base?
He was already running.
Yeah, isn't it 1 more base? 3-1, 2 outs, 2-0, runner on 2nd.
Nope.
That's a wait. That's a ball,
That's a
right?
ball.
That's a ball, right? Okay. It is hard for me to see the bottom.
Yeah.
It's 3-1. He walked. Wait. Nah. No, he didn't. He pulled back. He pulled back.
Hey, Nick.
Counts 3-1. Is it a walk? Is it a hit? Is it a strike? We'll see right here. That's a ball. It's a walk. Runner scores. Pat piss. Alright, it's 1-0. Oh!
Get out, Whoa!
That's an out. Third out.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Game goes to the bottom of the second.
Get out, Whoa!
2-2. Oh yeah. Because there's one. Yeah. 2. He swings.
Hey, you're good, bro. Hey, you're good.
Nah, that was just one.
2-1.
Yeah, 2-1. Oh! That's out of here! Home run for Nick Yates.
77!
Single shot.
Frick yeah! Frick yeah! Bring it home, Nick. About damn time. About damn time. Bring it home.
And the celly.
That shit barely got out.
I'm after this.
Nah, bro, you're good. 3-1. Oh yeah, run out.
He's there.
Wait, was he hit? Hey, was he hit?
No.
Okay.
It's good. It's good.
I can't see like below. It's 1-0.
Oh, yeah!
It's tanked.
Let's go!
2-run shot for Izzy. Izzy Cruz.
Oh yeah, boy, let's go, bud. Oh
tank.
yeah.
2 runs.
3-1.
Wait.
Nick at the plate.
Chill, bro.
That's a ball.
Hey, I just give a drink water. Hey, keep it right there.
3-1.
Frick!
That's a ball. Ball 4. First and second. Okay. It's 3-2 full count.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That was a strike? Oh, okay.
Wait, is that 3 out? I'm right after this bitch ass base runner though. I don't care.
He swings. That's it. That's fair.
What the fuck? What the?
He's out.
Get there. Josiah. Run. What the? Oh,
All right, Izzy on the mound. Jaycob leading off. It's 5-1.
easy, baby.
Gotta have a good inning for the Saiyans. That's a ball.
Baby.
Nah, he can throw faster though in the games. Oh, that's strike 3. Wait, right? Yeah, 2-2. Ah, strike 3.
How you gonna swing at those inside?
That's what Nick. All right, 0-1.
Go!
1-1-1. He's out. That's game. The Wolves win 5-1. I'm with the captain of the West Coast Wolves, member of the Spanos Saiyans. So, you did hit a home run today. You pitched most of the game. How do you feel about how you did?
You know, my earlier games, you know, I didn't do as well, but I feel like I'm finally getting back into it. I think I did pretty good today. You know, I'm starting to hit a little better, pitch a little better, so yeah, it's good.
So you did pitch most of the game. You know, how do you feel about how you pitched?
Honestly, I feel good about how I pitched. You know, I haven't played in like a couple months. You know what I'm saying?
All right, well said.